HubSpot versus Salesforce. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about two of the most famous sales cloud platforms out there, okay? We're going to be talking about our very own HubSpot, and we're also going to be talking about Salesforce. Now, HubSpot is an easy, fast, and unified customer platform that transforms the way your teams work. So, you don't have to wait to see impact or build pipeline and close more deals. Okay, it happens immediately straight away. So, you know, who actually, should go ahead and use HubSpot and who actually should use Salesforce? Now, the both of them are pretty similar. Both HubSpot and Salesforce are renowned across industries for their respective array of apps, okay? Now, whether you're trying to organize projects, manage customer relationships, automate marketing funnels, or establish all-in-one digital work for ecosystems for multiple teams, both options are more than capable. So if you're picking between these two platforms, should you just flip a coin and call it a day? I put both to test to see how they stack up so you can see which has the right strengths to fit your needs. Now, let's talk about both of these platforms at a glance. So, HubSpot started as a marketing tool and grew into a whole free CRM, while Salesforce started as a CRM that's grown into sales and marketing features. All right. So, today, HubSpot is still best known as an inbound marketing tool, while Salesforce is known as a sales automation software, but they both offer similar sets of features. So, the features that they both provide you, and you can also see them on their very own website, is basically things like CRM, sales forecasting and analytics, customer service features, contact scoring, VoIP, marketing features, and a whole lot more. Now, since Salesforce offerings is so much more modular than HubSpot's to keep things equal, I'll use its Sales Cloud offering as a baseline, which can be amended with additional packages for use cases like support and marketing. So I'll also walk through more of the core differences between HubSpot and Salesforce in depth in the coming sections, but here's a quick breakdown of how some of their key features may appear. All right. So first of all, let's go with HubSpot. Okay, so the sales reporting and forecasting. Now, the people at HubSpot have very advanced sales reporting and forecasting, but they do go ahead and require an upgraded paid plan that we're going to be talking about. Salesforce, on the other hand, has highly advanced sales reporting and forecasting with basic reporting available even in the baseline plans. Now, when it comes to, actually talking about how their plans work and what their plans are really about. So the pricings for both of these are pretty stable, okay? Not too high, not too low. You can start a free trial with both of them, okay? And, to check their pricings out, you can come straight over here where it's going to give you a whole analytical, direction on how the pricings work. Now, obviously, it depends on the different niches of pricing you're going to want to go with. So if you're an individual or a small team, for the marketing, you can get free tools on the free plan, totally free, no money, no nothing. Then you have the Marketing Hub Starter for $15 a month per seat, and Starter Customer Platform, which is $15 a month per seat as well. But obviously it has, more, you could say, essential features. And then Marketing Hub Professional. So this is a pretty pricey plan, $800 per month, which includes 3 seats already, and you can add additional seats for $45 plus, where it includes 2,000 marketing platforms. Pretty incredible. And obviously, as we're on marketing platforms, let's talk about the marketing features for both of these platforms. Now, extensive marketing features available with the free and starter plans when it comes to HubSpot, but when it comes to Salesforce, extensive marketing automation features are available in separate marketing packages, okay? Now, obviously, when it comes to ease of use, I would definitely go with HubSpot because it has strong onboarding with step-by-step guidance, more integrated dashboard, and navigation. Salesforce, on the other hand, isn't too easy when it comes to use. It does have strong onboarding with a demo-like account, but layout is initially less intuitive, okay? Then even when it comes to the customization, the customizable workflows and automation, including JavaScript and Python coding for workflows, are available when it comes to using all these products of your HubSpot. Salesforce, on the other hand, is highly customizable, including coding capabilities. So you can also check out their products right here. They Salesforce does have quite a lot of products to choose from, so it definitely depends on you on how you want to go along with it, okay? And even the AI features scale up a lot. So let's go ahead and create an account with both of these, see how easy it is to create an account with both of these, and how their actual dashboards initially look. All right. So once we are over here, what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to go ahead and add an email address, okay? Because that is what's needed in the initial login section. So we're going to add an email address over here, okay? And we're going to click on verify email, and we're going to do the same over here. We're going to add all of our details, our email, employees. You're going to add in your company name, whatever job title you have. Let's go with sales manager. Adding a phone number is also helpful because it helps them recognize you. So I'm going to go ahead and add a phone number. And once you've added that, here it says choose your trial. So would you like to try the sales feature or the customer support feature? I'm definitely going to go with the sales feature and go and click on start free trial. The customer support feature is more on the CRM side. The sales feature is more on the sales cloud side. So as you can see, it actually gives you an option to choose from the both of these. Now, once you have confirmed with both of these, you're going to start getting your verification code. So my verification code is 075, then we have 740. So once you've added your verification code, you're going to click on next, where it brings you to the password. So we're going to go ahead and add all the details. Okay. And once you've added all of the details, what you're going to do over here is basically click on next. Now, once you click on next, here it's going to ask you for your first and last name. So we're going to enter that. And it says, have you used software to manage or engage with customers before? Obviously, we're going to go ahead and skip all of these. What industry are you in? Let's go with marketing and advertising. Which best describes your role? Let's go with executive team. You're going to add in your company name. Then you're going to add the number of employees, and obviously if your company has a website, you can go ahead and write it over here. Even if it doesn't, just go ahead and add any website, okay? Any recognizable website that actually has a working URL for it to actually see. So just go ahead and add the correct website. Same goes for this section over here. And as you can see, when it comes to signing up with Salesforce, it says your free 30-day trial is on its way to your inbox. So basically, it's going to send you your login credentials, okay? So let's say I'm going to come over to login, and obviously we're going to be using the sales platform. Now here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead and add in the details that they give you. They're going to give you a specific email, a specific username, and a specific password. So just go ahead and make sure to add the correct details for that. And obviously when it comes to HubSpot as well, just make sure to add the correct website and everything. So once you've added all of those details, it's going to create you an account that goes on and on. Now, Salesforce has the edge, okay, on your sales reporting and forecasting, because as I told you, HubSpot is more towards the CRM and marketing side. Salesforce, on the other hand, leads you more into the sales, okay? So even if we go on their sales reporting and forecasting features, you can see that they're more readily built into its platform, making it the better option for users looking specifically for this functionality. Now, while forecasting is a second-tier feature for both platforms, it's cheaper on Salesforce on a per user basis. Now, HubSpot, on the other hand, has dashboard features. So the dashboard features on HubSpot are much more powerful, okay? So you can pretty much get an idea on how powerful it is by using it, but the Salesforce standard dashboard is a little more accessible as your CRM home base, showing you your entire pipeline at a glance along with personalized widgets for tasks, opportunities, and leads. Now, HubSpot, on the other hand, has more well-rounded marketing features for more plans as well. You get features like page optimization suggestions, email templates, marketing automation features, the ability to manage and publish to social media accounts, website and web page builder, blogging with AI assistance, automatic site-wide SEO recommendations, and a whole lot more. So both of these features are stacked with each other, but obviously if you want to go more on the Sales Cloud side, I would definitely suggest Salesforce, but more on the CRM and marketing side, I would suggest HubSpot. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.